We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Rockwall County, western Hunt County, eastern Collin County, northeastern Dallas County.
Oh, the alert that was like 15 minutes ago?
6:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Lucas over to Sunnyvale, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Portions of Plano, Garland, Mesquite, McKinney, Richardson, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Greenville, Princeton, Fate, and Heath are under the particular warning at this moment. Also sections of Interstate 20 and Interstate 30. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, Hunt County, eastern Collin, northeastern Dallas County, and southwestern Fannin County until 6:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line from Lucas down to Sunnyvale, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, back to you, Rick.
And Operation Storm